Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 3, Day 1. Today we're going to start with some phonemic awareness. That's where you're listening. So I'm going to say 3 words and you're going to tell me the one that doesn't belong. Rap, rough, sing. Sing does not belong because it does not start with an Okay, next one. Sick, wall, knit. So wall would not belong because it has an ah in the middle instead of an I. Strap, draw, flip. Now this one was a bit tricky. It's the one that doesn't belong is draw because it doesn't have a p at the end. Strap, flip. Okay, cause, bought, slide. Slide does not belong because it has an I instead of an ah in the middle. Grape, broil, grill. Broil does not belong because it has a burr instead of a gur sound. Now, ripe, sign. Now does not belong because it has an ow sound instead of an I sound. Thing, flush, these. So flush would not belong because it doesn't have a f sound at the beginning. Okay, so we're going to go over some of our words we learned last time. So once again, AL says ah, so 3, 2, 1, call. 3, 2, 1, sauce. 3, 2, 1, talk. 3, 2, 1, yawn. 3, 2, 1, haul. 3, 2, 1, ball. 3, 2, 1, caught. 3, 2, 1, also. Now this one's a little tricky because sometimes AL says ah, like talk, and sometimes it says all, like also. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, draw. 3, 2, 1, also. Okay, so today we're learning some new sounds. So these are sounds you know, but we're going to show you how they work with these types of spellings. So this is WR. The W is silent. So WR says So this would be right. It wouldn't be were right. It'd be right. Okay, let's look at n. So KN, the K is silent as in knit, and the G is silent, GN, as in gnat. Okay, so let's look at this. So let's make those sounds. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's blend, and I will help you once again remember the K is silent. So it'd be knee. What's the word? Knee. Okay, again. Knob. What's the word? Knob, like a doorknob. Okay, here we go. Remember the W silent. Wreck. Wreck, like a shipwreck. Okay, the G silent. Gnome. Gnome. Okay, let's look at some of these. Let me go down here. I, E, O, ah, ought, ing, ah, ear, ooh. So the ones that we're really focusing on today would be and once again. Okay, so let's blend some of these. Here we go. Right. The word is right. Kneel. The word is kneel. Wrote. The word is wrote. Knife. The word is knife. Now remember, these are all, we're ignoring the first sound, the first letter. Not knit. Knit. Wrong. Wrong. remember this is silent. Gnaw. So gnaw is when you like a dog gnaws on a bone, so it's like chewing it. Okay. Wrap. Like you wrap a present. Remember the G silent. Gnat. A gnat is a fly or a bug. Here we go. Wrist. Wrist. So you know this is your wrist. Okay. No, knot. Like a knot. Like you put your shoes into a knot. That'd be really sad. Okay. I lost my spot. Okay, here we go. Wren. Wren. A wren is a type of bird. Okay, now this time you're going to do it. I'm going to give you 3, 2, 1, and you're going to read it. 3, 2, 1, ring. 3, 2, 1, ring. Now, they look the same, but they mean something different. So ring is like a ring. I have a ring on my finger. This one is I have a ring on my finger. This is like I'm washing clothes and wringing the clothes out so that I get the water out of it. Okay. And that's called a homophone because they sound the same, but they mean different things. Let's look at this one. No. Oh, 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. Gnome. Okay. 3, 2, 1. New. 3, 2, 1. New. Now this is like I bought a new dress. This is I understood. I knew. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Taught. 3, 2, 1. Smaller. 3, 2, 1. Grew. 3, 2, 1. Fearful. So full of fear. 3, 2, 1. Blue. 3, 2, 1. Suit. Okay, let's read this. He cut the knot with a knife. Okay, let's read another sentence. I knew a mouse. Now this one's tricky. Gnawed. That means he chewed. He gnawed on the cheese. Okay, ignore the W. Wrap the cloth on your wrist. Okay, so let's read some of these words. Remember the G is, oh, sorry guys. The G is silent. So gnat, gnat, and a gnat is like a fly or a bug of some sort. No, so it's, you just ignore the K. Right, right. Like I'm going to write something. The G silent. Gnaw. So that's your chewing. Gnaw. Wrong. Wrong. Wrap the cloth on your wrist. Okay, so here's our story for today. Remember, I'm going to be marking our silent sounds. Our silent combination. So the wrong job. Okay, so here's some words we'll see. Month, asked, said, children, do, into, year, question, what, there, done, been. Okay, here we go. Each month, King Knox asked his knight, this is the knight, to perform a task. He said, "Can you tie knots?" So there are the knots he's trying to tie. "No," said Knight Waldo. King Knox asked, "Can you sharpen this knife?" Knight Waldo replied, "No, but I can butter homemade bread for all of the children." Okay, here we go. "Can you knit socks for me?" asked King Knox. "I do not know how, but I can pile this wool into a soft bed," said Knight Waldo. A year passed. King Knox gnashed, so he's like grinding, gnashed his teeth. Then he knocked on the knight's door. He shouted, "Let me ask a question. What can you do?" The knight kneeled down on one knee. He said, "This is the wrong job for me." King Knox and Waldo knew their time together was done. Waldo wrote a note to King Knox. He quit his job. Then he packed a knapsack. That's like a little thing you hold. It carries your stuff. A knapsack, and left. He started a sheep farm. "I should have been doing this all along," saying Waldo. Okay, so here are our high frequency words. Been. The children have been here all day. Now, I know that some of you are thinking that's been, because EE does say E, but this is a rule breaker. So it says been. Children. The children have been here all day. Month. This is the first month in the year. Question. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Year. This is the first month of the year. Okay, so we're going to skip that. So today we're talking about special pronouns. So let me explain what those are. Special pronouns are some pronouns do not refer to a specific person, place, thing, or number. So these are called indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns mean we're not sure who the person, how many people there might be, or where the place is. So anyone means any person. It's not him or her, it's any person, anyone. And everyone means all people. So let's find some of these special pronouns. Does anyone know what time it is? Indefinite pronoun would be anyone. That means literally any person. Does any person know what time it is? But we say anyone. Next, everyone thought the joke was funny. The indefinite pronoun would be everyone. And everyone literally means all people. All people thought the joke was funny, but we would say everyone. Okay, here are a few more. So anything means no special thing. So it could be anything. Everything means all things, and nothing means no thing. So let's look at some of these. You can have anything you want for lunch. Indefinite pronoun would be anything. Anything means no special thing. So we're not saying one thing or a different thing. We're saying anything. There is nothing in the mailbox. Our indefinite pronoun would be nothing. Nothing means literally no thing. If you break it apart. Okay, here we go. So we're going to do this. I'm going to read it and give you 3 seconds to figure out our indefinite pronoun. Does anyone know what is in the box? 3, 2, 1. Anyone. Literally any person. Everyone thinks the box is filled with peanuts. 3, 2, 1. Everyone. Literally means every person. I do not think there is anything to eat in that box, said Nate. 3, 2, 1. Anything. Literally, let me check what that one said again. No special thing. So there could be anything in there. Okay, last of all, the children looked in. Nothing was in the box. What is the indefinite pronoun? 3, 2, 1. Nothing, which literally means no thing. There's not a thing in there, in the box. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.